Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're back in the 3D world. And I figured out a little trick for this. The Pretty Plaza Panic level gotta be Peach. Because Peach can hover. See, if you jump here, Peach can hover for a little while in the air. So you gotta make it way easier. Seriously? That's all? No, I died. Meow. What does Special Katuni? Oh my god. Yeah, she can hover now. She can hover for like 3 times the time that she originally intended. No, I don't care about getting stars. See, this Pretty Plaza Panic level was way easier with Peach. Peach looks so different in the Katuni. Or is it Tukani? I don't know. I don't need to be able to read all this stuff. Oh shoot. Why the Magic Koopa? I think I'll just Yay! I did it! Don't mind my timer. It's just that I've been playing on my Switch for a while today. That's pretty much all I've been doing today, except for being at school. Well, not all day. I just played a little bit in the morning. I just played for a little bit in the morning. I wonder what this is. Is this like an underground level? Pipeline Lagoon? Oh no! It's the Porchy Cuffers. It's Porchy Cuffer Gang. It's Porchy Cuffer Gang. Hashtag if you're in the Porchy Cuffer Gang. Hold on, let me see if I can kill one of these Porchy Cuffers. Porchy Cuffer. Wow, these Porchy Cuffers are actually pretty peaceful. So these Porchy Cuffers offer peace. So I will not kill them. They have been spared. Whoa. This is so cool. This is now my new favorite level. Screw Super Bell Hill. Yeah, this level is way better than Super Bell Hill just because of that one moment. My favorite Bowser level so far is probably the one where Bowser freaking gets in a car and starts chasing. No, you have to chase him around. Porchy Cuffer. Yeah, I'm just good like that. This is now my new favorite level in this world. Oh, you can climb up So pretty much any tree in the game you can climb, huh? I did not know that. I did not know. Sorry for that. So what is this level? Switchboard Falls. I wonder what a switchboard is. Is this a switchboard? I thought a switchboard would be one of these. I thought this was a switchboard. Oh, what are these? What are those? If you lived in 2013, you would know what a fox says. It says, what the fox say? No, 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 no. What the fox say? No, 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 no. Porchy Cuffer. Porchy Cuffer. Porchy Cuffer gang. Where are my Porchy Cuffer gang? Where is my Porchy Cuffer gang? No. No. Doesn't really make a difference. I just got more lives. I just got some more lives because I didn't hit the checkpoint in that level anyway. So we Gucci. Even if I did have more lives, I would just spawn up at the beginning. What's up here, sir? Just some coins. Just coins. Oh, 1 up. Nice. I feel like this could be very, very useful. Look, it's a fox. I wonder what it says. What the fox say? What the fox say? Ow, 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 ow. It's funny how the fox says ow, 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 ow. What the fox say? Ow, 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 ow. Where is my Porchy Cuffer gang? Hey, look, it's a fox. I wonder what it says. What the fox say? What the fox say? My favorite Mario level in history is the one that I just played. I like the Switchboard Falls. This reminds me of Batty Fox. Yes, I got a fire flower. Yes! Finally, we have a secret room behind the waterfall. Finally, we have a secret room behind a waterfall. Let's go! Finally, we have the secret room behind the waterfall. What the fox say? No! trick one, but that was just to get the stupid stamp. What are the stamps even for anyway? It's good that I died so early on behind the checkpoint, so I can literally just... Yes, fire flower. Alright, me and the boys going to the secret room behind the waterfall. Me and the boys go into the secret room behind the waterfall. Literally every single gamer when there's no secret room behind the waterfall. I'm making a sad face right now. Can't tell though because I am not recording my face right now. Yay, I died. I need to stay on there at all times. I need to stay on at all times. And no, I am not gonna rage. No, I am not gonna rage. We are about some stupid video game. This game is not stupid, Nintendo. I am just being sarcastic. Dang it. No fire flower for me this year. Let's go. Let's go, Sunny. Owie. I wonder what I was pushing back there. Huh. Shoot. Mythology of the memes. The meme mythology. Okay, real talk, they need to make switchboards inside of Mario Maker. I am not joking, they actually need to do that. There's a suggestion for you. Just be Switchboard Falls. Yeah! That feels so good to beat it. That level literally took a whole 9 lives and a half. It would be so funny if they gave you 9 lives when you were a cat. Like you could get hit 9 times when you were a cat. That would be so funny. Bullet Bill Express. All aboard the Bowser train. I wonder if there are going to be any pom-poms on here. Get on the train! The Bullet Bill Express. I wonder if this is a good train to go on. I wonder if the Bullet Bill Express is a good train. I guess we'll have to find out. Shoot. What are these things? What are those? What are those? What are those? What are those? Twinkle Toes. What are those? Giant Mushroom. Mega Mario. From the Mega Mushroom. This is my favorite power-up. I like the Cat Mario. No, I killed the pipe. I like the Bullet Bill Express. Even if there are literally a bunch of cat things. Dang, Fire Bro. Nope. No, thank you, sir. No, thank you, please. What, is there going to be a pom-pom? Yep, pom-pom. Pom-pom. I love pom-pom. Pom Pom is my favorite boss. Which one is it though? Which Pom Pom is it? Is it this one? Oh my gosh. Pom Pom, I hate this. Why can't you do these? Why can't you just play fair, Pom Pom? Pom Pom, why can't you just play fair? I can't find a bunch of you at once. Oh, the real Pom Pom is the one with the pink star. Okay, got it. I got it now, I got it. So if I ever fight a Pom Pom again, I gotta remember that the one with the pink star, I gotta remember that the one with the pink star is the real Pom Pom. It looks so much like when you get the flag, it looks so much like the flag slices open the jar to free the little lady. Or little lady, like the little fairy lady thing. I like that level. That's my favorite castle level. Well, besides, that's my second favorite castle level. I don't really like the Bill one. I don't really like that one. It's just not very exciting. It's just like boom, dodge a few bullet bills. It's like boom, dodge a few bullet bills, then just, what is these? This isn't the end? Bowser's Circus? Ooh, snap. I think I'll save that for the video that I'm about to post in a few minutes. I will see you guys in a few minutes. This is going to be so epic. Bye-bye!